Vice President, Chittaranjan Chattopadhyay, Chairman of Indirect Taxation Committee, Rakesh Bhalla, Chairman, Direct Taxation Committee, Sri H. Padmanabhan, Council Member, and the Council Member of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. I am happy to note that the Institute of Cost Accountants of India is commencing the GST Day on 1st July 2021 by organizing an online interactive session on the theme, The Journey of GST and Way Forward, Atmanirbhar Bharat. I am also glad that my senior level executives, professionals across the domains, corporate executives, tax practitioners, advocates, and students are in attendance. Goods and Service Tax was implemented in India from 1st July 2017, and now it has completed 4 years of its implementation. During these 4 years, we could see a remarkable change in the way the business is being carried out. There are teething troubles, but efforts are being made to overcome the same. In this process, the Institute of Cost Accountants of India has played a catalyst role. Knowledge, members, trade and industry, and students. The GST is founded on the nation of one nation, one market, one tax, which has helped and will be helping the trade and industry a lot, putting the Indian economy on a path of attain the vision of Honorable Prime Minister of 5 trillion economy by 2025, despite the prevailing pandemic situation. The GST aims at free flow of goods and services and cuts the complex multiple taxes that have been in existence since India's independence, and this fits well in the government's motto of maximum governance and minimum government. It gives me immense pleasure to note that the Institute of Cost Accountants of India is contributing positively in the field of taxation. Your role is very important. Your contribution for the economy is very important. The transparency, time-bound, result-oriented approach, decision-making process, and corruption-free system. For that reason, this tax reform was very essential. And at the same time, digital administration, which now we are on the path of that to make it every system digitalized. This is give a lot of relief to the people by large, and that is the great achievement as far as all the stakeholders are concerned. The institute is helping different stakeholders, including the members, tax professionals, etc., throughout the country to unlearn and relearn new subjects which are need to survive in the new normal. Through these activities, the institute is helping the industries to adopt to the new process and technology to make the goods and services more competitive in the international market. Though we have completed 4 years of GST, I feel still there is room for improvement and we can make better with support of stakeholders. Some of the practical problems are facing by MSMEs and industries. They are coming to me many times. When they make bill for any material and giving to the company, then his responsibility that whether he received the payment or not, but he has to give the tax to the department. And in government, particularly with the MSME, there is a lot of problem. There is delayed payment is a big problem for us. And all small MSMEs are already facing the problem. The contractors everywhere, without getting the bill, they are legally, they have to deposit the tax, and that is the problem that they are facing, crucial problem. This is one of the crucial problem in MSMEs and the contractors, the service sector is facing. But I don't know what exactly the option on it, but I really want that people like you should find out some way out that how we can give relief to the people, because the state government undertaking, central government undertaking, different departments, major industries, big people, they are not giving their payment. Delay payment is there, and that is one of the reasons that we have a lot of economic issue related with this issue. I will request all of you to find out some transparent, time-bound, result-oriented solution on these issues. To share a few milestones of GST implementation, GST implementation in India has proved the world that we are the seizure of the technology. We have generated $500 million in short span of 43 weeks, which is a remarkable achievement, and it is all possible due to the support from all the stakeholders. Similarly, the number of e-way bills generated is 2 billion e-way bills in span of not even 3 years. The number of taxpayers has increased from about 6.5 million to 12.8 million taxpayers in 4 years. It is heartening to note that the Institute is celebrating GST Day since inception from 2017, and this year also they have taken initiative to observe the GST Day. It is the biggest tax reform in the history of our country. This year the theme is the journey of GST and way forward to Atmanirbhar Bharat. It is the need of our to reduce the dependency on the imports and concentrate on the self-reliance. We have got all potential to make Indian economy #1 global economy in the world. We are already giving highest priority for development of infrastructure in the country. In the road sector, once upon a time it was 13 kilometers per day, but now we are making 38 kilometers per day. So 3 times more. We are making green highways. Now it can be easy for you to going from Delhi to Chandigarh in within 2 hours, within 2 years. Delhi to Dehradun within 2 hours. Delhi to Haridwar within 2 hours, and Delhi to Mumbai by your own car with 12 hours. Making Chennai to Bangalore Axis Control Express Highway. We are making 22 green express highways. Now we are lot of technologically change which are coming. We are the manufacturing hub of automobile industry. Our industry size is 6,50,000 crore, out of which 50% of it we are exporting. Now, my dream is to make Indian automobile industry as #1 manufacturing hub in the world. We are working on electric vehicles, and actually we have electric buses, electric cars, electric scooters. We are now making electric public transport system on electricity. And at the same time, we are using alternative fuel, ethanol, methanol, biodiesel, bio-CNG, hydrogen fuel cell, we are working on it. And now for lithium-ion battery, we are now making research and making the study of zinc ion, aluminum ion, steel ion. All the technology, the people are doing excellent jobs. And this is the time that we can make Indian economy as a #1 economy in the world. We need to create more jobs. For that reason, we need good investment, upgradation in technology. We need to reduce the logistic cost. At the same time, we need a transparent, time-bound, result-oriented, corruption-free tax system. And that is exactly important for all of us. So that is exactly we are on the way of the people are doing a global economy. And this is the economy in the world. And that is exactly the dream of our Prime Minister to make Atmanirbhar Bharat. I am confident that with the cooperation of all stakeholders, 100%, we will achieve this goal. And the journey of GST and way forward to Atmanirbhar Bharat is a very important subject. We need the cooperation, coordination, communication, at the same time rectification and suggestions from all of you. We are in the process. No one is perfect and no one can claim that he is perfect. Uttam, Adhik Uttam, Sarvottam up to infinity. You cannot catch your own image. So the 101% perfection is an impossible concept. So it's a good law. The system is good. Your contribution is great. But still there are chances for improvement. Day by day, after your experience and your whatever the experience will teach you, on the basis of that, the process, we can make changes. No one is perfect and no one can claim that he is perfect. Still the petrol and petroleum products and liquor is not covering under GST. Now this is very important for the state government also. I feel that now they are realizing that. But still we need to take the decision of approval of all the state government because we have a federal character of constitution. So at the same time, the biggest democracy in the world by different political parties, different state governments, in this situation, we have a success story of GST, the great contribution for the country. Now it can be a good case, ideal case for the world that how we implement this. I really giving my all best wishes to all of you because as a stakeholder, You are also the most important part of this success story. So that is the reason that I'm giving my all best wishes to all of you. Now today's discussion will 100% will help country to get some new changes, new suggestions from your side to the government. And for that reason, I am giving my all best wishes to all of you, and 100% I am confident that your experience, your knowledge is very important. I always telling to the people that the innovation, entrepreneurship, science, technology, research, skill, and successful practices and the experiences. This is the knowledge. And knowledge is the most important asset for the country. So conversion of knowledge into wealth is equally important. When I got appointed to visit in Dubai, Doha, in many countries, lot of charter accountant, cost center accountant are doing excellent job, particularly in the different part of the world. So here, your contribution is very, very good. I really have a great privilege and having a great pride for your contribution. I am giving my best wishes to all of you. Your constant qualitative contribution, thinking, in your think tank, in your seminars, in which your experience, giving suggestions to the government, particularly the finance ministry, the GST department, 100%, we will try to make the system 100% perfect. We are in the process. We are open for suggestion. Government is always ready for suggestions. And this is the time that the people like you who can remarkably contribute for that. I am giving my all best wishes to all of you in auspicious day. Once again, thank you very much. Namaskar.